Alright, today we're going to be taking the assessment I assigned on GoFormative. Let me see how everyone's doing first off. Oh, not too bad, alright. Alright, the first question is, what does perimeter mean? It looks like everyone is remembering what we learned in class. Alright. Now let's look at question number 2. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 10 inches and a width of 5 inches? So let's see. Alex, I want you to look over the question again for me, please. Moving on to number 3. Dakota is measuring the side of a square tile. The side is 3 inches. What is the perimeter? Alright, for this one, you are wanting to click on the box and show your work for me. Looks like everyone did that. Sam, you didn't show too much work, but that's alright. You still got the right answer. Alright, 3 times 4. Cole, you did extra work. That's alright. Alright. Everyone got the right answer, so let's move on. Moving on to question number 4. I want you to look at the image that I put on there for you and try to figure out how to find the perimeter. I know some of them don't have measurements on them, but you should be able to find them with the rest of the measurements on the picture. Can take as much time as you need on it. Don't try to rush it. Let's see what everyone said. Alright. Well, good job, Cole. 70 millimeters, yep. Sam and Alex, I'm gonna need you to go look back over that shape for me. Make sure you get this short little side. Might be easy to miss. But I'll need you to go back and look it over, try to figure out the right answer for me. But it looks like everyone's starting to understand how to find the perimeter of a shape now. Alright, we're gonna continue to work on finding the perimeter of bigger shapes and more difficult shapes tomorrow. Thank you for following along.